What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I have a little bit of bad news. Yesterday while tuning, stripped the spare gear, but no worries, guys. A new one is back inside of the car. I've been waiting to use this one that's currently in the car now for a while, because I had it from the first time I ordered the aluminum diff. So finally getting to use it with another top secret pinion gearing setup that I'm using now. So I'm excited to actually retune the car, because it's making a lot more power naturally with the gearing setup, even though I haven't really gone inside of the ESC to really change the settings. So therefore now I have to go and retune it, and it's only because this other gear was stripped. That's why I decided to go and use it now. What you're seeing here is actually my custom diff that I had made from a long time back when I had stripped the factory one, and this technically is still the factory one. It's just that on this side that I'm holding, this is a MST side that I fabricated and used the sandpaper and sand down to kind of match the other one. There's a little bit of vibration with it, but I'm telling you that it's a backup I can use whenever, so it's not too bad. I can still drag race with it, but it might have a little vibration in it, but it was going good before until the aluminum diff arrived. So yeah, that's that. And as you can see over here, if you're kind of looking to the side, I have a little carpet racer here that I transform. So naturally this truck didn't come like this side. It came as a little, you could say, was it rock climbing, like a crawler type of truck. And then I was like, I took off the back and put a 3S LiPo battery on it, and it's running. I'll be featuring this somewhere. It's not really fast on the street, but on the carpet, it's very quick, really quick, like hard to control. Has a little speed on the road, but nothing to really talk about. But I believe that this one could be the quickest one right now in the world, maybe. But I'll make a special video on that. I can throw the GNS on it and see what time it's running. But it's just a nice little truck, where I decided to customize it, because my daughter is the one that really drives this one. Sometimes she wants to drive this one over here, but I tell her baby steps literally. So yeah, guys, so I'll be taking off the body now so I can show you some different things that I have going on with this build right now. And as you can see, I added this thing right here. Everybody's no stranger to it, and hopefully let's see if it actually works. I can cut some of that ear and give me some better times. Who knows? Just try not to see it in real life, because we also do it in the hobby and we do it in real life, so the thing already. So like, share and subscribe. I'll be taking off the body now so I can show a closer look of the new gears, and let's see what's going on. Yes, so here's the gearing setup. You can figure it out for yourself, but I won't be disclosing it really. But we're in a very big pinion gear, and a different spur gear setup as well, different teeth numbers and thing. So yeah, some people ask me what is this for. This is right here, these going up here. These are actually, like, you could call them like traction bars, to kind of help the wheels get more traction when this part of it is pushing forward. This kind of holds it sturdy. Yeah, and then I went back and put my fan right here, and then my intercooler for some weight at the front. But I think I need more weight at the front, to be honest with you. But yeah, these sticks are kind of soft. I'm running a little different setup inside of it with where belting is concerned. I want to see how far that's gonna take me, to see what it's like. So far it's kind of nice driving, and when the car comes on and boosting it sounds really good. And yes, and then my servo is all there, tucked in place, handling all that pressure and all that wheel spin. So as I say, like, share and subscribe. We'll be making a new vlog, once the weather holds up and once it permits, and I'll be doing another test and tune it, with new gearing setup and stuff like that. And we'll see what times it have to give us, So leave a comment about the build if you like it, and any questions, feel free to ask, and stay tuned.